Take on me, take me on, take on me, I'll be
Hello and welcome to Rainy Days with Raina and
Kimmy.
Kimberly. And today we'll be talking about our invisible ducks, hats, and there will be an original song written by moi. That means me in some language.
French.
French, I've been informed. And now let's talk about invisible ducks. Do you want to start?
Let's welcome our guest stars first.
Oh, yes.
All right, this is Daffodil.
And this is Frederick.
Now, let's first start talking about the origin. How did we find these ducks?
Well, you see, one day we were sitting in German class and thinking about ducks. And see, I had an open seat next to me. And in that open seat, I imagined two ducks. And then our teacher sat and said open seat and kind of squashed the ducks, but it was okay, because afterwards we found out they were invisible ducks and they were fine. Now, how did we come up with the names?
Well, you see, I named Frederick, and she named Daffodil.
Yes.
And we decided that we liked the names of each other's ducks.
Yes, I
so
liked
we
Frederick.
traded.
Yeah, so I have a telepathic connection with Frederick.
And I have a telepathic connection with Daffodil.
Also, they are invisible. Took a trip to Hawaii this summer for about 1
And they
month in
left
August.
us.
Yeah, they left us here in Pennsylvania. Like, we got postcards, but
Postcards were cool. They were invisible, but
cool. Yes, very chill.
I mean, who doesn't want an invisible postcard to Hawaii?
From Hawaii, from your invisible duck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kimberly, Christmas is a time of festive things. Festive lights, festive trees, but my favorite, festive headwear. Today I've selected 3 pieces of headwear. Some festive, some relating to festivities. I'd like you to choose between one.
Well, why don't you try them on so I can see them?
I'll take off my glasses. Also festive. This is a top hat, replicating the top hat from Frosty the Snowman. It bounces, and if
Quality
wanted,
hat.
you can put your glasses on it
Why can't you just wear your glasses?
because the trees go up to the brim. Yes.
Alright, that's a good hat. Now the next one.
This lovely, long but lovely elf hat. Be longer than an actual elf, I think, but still very nice. I mean, look, you could be an emo elf, you could be a Vogue elf. You could be a
Didn't know they had
over-the-shoulder type
Vogue
of
elves.
elf. You could be a war elf. You could be many type of elves with this hat.
That's because I'm pretty sure they all wear the same kind of hat.
Yes, that is true. But they're color-coded. Different shades of red and green.
I guess you learn something new every day.
Why, yes.
All right,
Unless
final
you don't-
contender is...
These reindeer antlers. They're red and green, unlike actual reindeers. Yet surprisingly, the ears are the correct shade of brown. As you can see, it's just a
So
very
when
nice
you wear
looking
this
reindeer.
hat, you have 4 ears. Interesting.
Yes.
Does it
And
improve
see, if
your
I put my
hearing?
hair like this, I can cover my own ears. Then it would just be the ears. No, my hearing actually gets worse, I think.
Well, all things considered, I think the top hat's the best. Especially if one worsens your hearing.
Well then, Kimberly, this top hat will be what I wear as I sing my original song, Yas Kimberly. And to explain this song, I'd like to bring up on times. The day it was written, she had brought me cookies. I will not change the words to make the song chronologically correct. I will have her say that when she brought me cookies, I created the song. Also, I love cheese curls.
Oh my god!
Don't worry, I am your room service.
Yeah, sure.
No!
No, don't put them back. Well, I'm not
I am
gonna
an
love
evil
those
room
cheese curls.
service.
Yes, we know.
And I love cheese curls, and Kimberly doesn't understand why I eat cheese curls almost every day.
Without,
Now.
like, a glass of Coke.
To that,
Water,
my
maybe.
song.
I have no water. I
Well,
think
you're
I'm
not-
gonna get fired.
And now, an original song by me and Mia, helping with background singing. This is our lyric, so don't judge us.
Don't mind
'Cause
me.
I wrote, like, yeah.
This is Coke, not alcohol.
Sure.
Kimberly, my only friend in the entire world.
Except for her other friends.
Kimberly, the one who gets annoyed when all I eat is cheese curls.
She loves lunch.
But she brought me cookies today, so I'm happy anyway.
Get that cinnamon spice, y'all.
Yours, Kimberly, keeping the most Kimmy you can. Yours, Kimberly, put the mac and cheese in the pan. I love lunch. So, Kimberly, how did you like that little ditty? Worked very hard on it. Wrote it in all of 15 minutes.
Well, it's not a very good song, but I'm flattered it was about me.
Thank you. I think.
I am deeply offended.
Same here!
I learned all of that in like 2 minutes.
I actually tried on singing.
The total amount that turned into that song was maybe about 17 minutes of time.
That's
how
an
much work
exaggeration.
went into creating that
The
song.
lyrics
Oh.
weren't very good. The performance was fine.
Okay.
But now we have a talent section. Now
God.
we have about 5 people. Wait. Yes, 5 people with us right now. And each of us will be performing an impromptu talent, except for me, because I was the only one who was prepared. Liam, get out of the camera. Come on. Okay, so I will go first with Hunter as the background drummer. We'll be playing a song on the recorder.
Yeah, these back.
You can begin now. Hunter. Okay.
Sugar stars.
Okay. Next talent.
No.
Who's very talented here?
I'm talented.
With what?
Show me.
Okay. Let me go. Hunter will be table drumming because he did not bring a drum set with him.
I refuse to be
No,
on
you
this
could've asked
stupid
me.
talent thing.
Hey.
I refuse your singing. It's my job!
Okay.
If I say so myself, it sounded good from under the table, and that's what he was hitting.
Okay, so
So-
Liam, it is your turn
Alright.
for a talent. Please give me the fake knife. That'd be great.
No, give it to
The
me.
fake knife.
No, give it to me, Raina. You can give it to me.
No. Just
You wanna,
no.
do you,
It's Kimberly's talent. Your turn.
No, you go ahead.
I'm talented at killing
Kimberly still has
myself.
to think of a talent.
I refuse to go because I don't like. No, I already did your singing. I don't need to be another talent. That was my talent, so no. I
my
refuse to go.
talent is table flopping.
My talent
Are you
is
trying to spill
This
the
is
food again?
This is our new tabletopper.
Yeah, because he was fired as our room
yeah,
service
oh,
person.
As a director, he was fired
Okay,
as a
so
director.
Kimberly, it is officially your turn. You may do anything stupid, not stupid, preferably, no, maybe look a little half stupid.
Alright, I will sing a song from the Addams Family.
Oh, she
I'll be
tries
your
to
snapper.
be not stupid.
Do you even
I
know
need to
the
dry my
song?
hands.
Do the theme song, Kimberly.
Do you even know the
Da-da-da-dun.
song?
Kimberly, just do the theme
No.
song.
Da-da-da-dun. 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 Da-da-da-dun.
Ba-da-da-dum,
Da-da-da-dun.
Scene from the movie.
ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum. And that was Kimberly's talent.
Yup, Kimberly,
And-
work it.
Yeah, yee!
Oh, yeah. Hello, I will be teaching everyone how to dance, sway, and move.
Are you really qualified
Like
for
the
this
Raina.
lesson?
Teach me.
Kimmy, you have to take this too. Come on, it's time for the Raina's Dancing 101.
Yeah.
Hey Hunter, hold
Why
the
do I
hat.
have to?
Unless you want to dance
Why do
too.
I have to learn the dance that's in
Wait,
my
guys,
head?
I can
No.
put on a third hat.
Oh my
Come
god!
on, just get over here.
Hunter's new talent could
We
be
will
stacked
all
with
be
hats.
learning some favorite dances of the Raina. Starting with the Frickamuppet.
Oh, I already know this one.
Yeah, we know, Liam.
Back up so the camera can see the instructions.
Okay.
See, first you step out, opposite kick, and then wah with your hands. And then you in, and then wah. And then as you get better, you do it fast.
And you go down a little bit.
Yeah, you go down a little bit. And then eventually you start to look super cool.
Marching band made us pros.
This is what all the cool kids do.
Obviously.
I know, as a very cool kid.
Frosty
Now-
the snowman.
Don't you dare.
Screw Frosty.
Oh, yeah, I was here.
Okay, next
Your next
dance.
dance should be whatever you call this.
The
The Raina.
then
Wasn't it what I was doing?
you can do whatever with your hands as you move. You just have to kind
I
of
like doing
out
it with
your,
one hand.
You have to like out with your feet and just kind of out with your hands when you go.
I like doing it with one hand.
That's what I was doing during the freaking Halloween movie. It's my dance.
And then there's another dance.
No, your
I like
dance
to
was
call-
this.
I don't even know what I was doing.
I don't know what you were doing
This is
either.
what I call the Carsman Sail
What
Marshmallow.
about the arm dance?
It's a bit of the arm dance.
This is a arm dance.
Yes. And then there's the final dance I'd like to call the Yas Kimberly dance.
Work it fierce.
Oh.
Where you say the words Yas Kimberly work it fierce to this dance.
In honor of Kimberly Earl.
Yes.
Notice I say
Yas.
Kimberly.
Kimberly work it fierce. And then as you say that, you want to step out with your leg and kind of just jiggly puff your hands. Jazz hands. No, it's not jazz
That's
hands.
not jazz.
Yeah,
It's,
Jazz
um,
Candace is like this.
It's like squirrely fingers.
Squirrely.
Now let's all do it together really fast at the tempo of Yas Kimberly work it fierce. Okay, let's do this. Yas Kim. Okay.
This is professional.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Start.
Guys, you
Okay.
mess up your own dance.
Yas Kimberly work it fierce. Kimmy, your turn.
You all
Yes.
end together.
You should teach everyone the color guard dance.
Yeah, Kimberly.
Come!
Oh,
Yeah,
I know
do
this
somebody
too.
else be good at it,
Watch.
like me.
This is the
I'll
color
demonstrate
guard
the
dance.
the men's version.
No.
Oh,
We'll have the professional.
well. I messed up.
I haven't practiced this.
You're
in
supposed to be professional.
Yeah,
I haven't practiced
Kimberly.
this in a while. Band ended a while ago.
Band never ends. What do you mean?
Yeah, I'm still
She's
practicing.
We're all in band.
I'm still
What's my
practicing the
favorite
quad
band?
music.
Oh, my birthday. There's some mud under here.
Yeah, we know.
On my sneakers.
And from my boots. Because you went to the reverse way for that. Yeah, you're not doing it right.
Well, tell me, Kimberly, can you do this?
I don't know why I want to.
Why wouldn't you?
Clear the space. Kimberly, can you do
This
this?
is done in the stands all the time. Oh, that's not.
Is this actually done?
Actually, it is. I can do it on the
No,
stands.
Yeah.
when she she
She
did
saw
on the
me, I can
stands.
do
She
that
does both all the time.
I can do that on the stands. Can you do this, Kimberly?
I was wondering if I could do a percussion.
Can you do this, Kimberly?
Salmon, salmon wood.
Oh my god.
Again, why would I want to?
Why wouldn't you want to? If I were me.
Yeah, Kimberly.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Oh my god.
We're getting mud on our professional dance floor.
I assure you, I can do this.
Me and the one you're gonna have to clean up later.
Yeah.
You're not doing it right. Decisive pass.
Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, and
That's
4.
not what I'm talking about.
What is this? What is this again?
7,
The guard
and
dance
8.
from Jack and Diane
1,
Hunter.
2, 3, and 4.
Nami, what is this
Five.
again?
Not
Six.
this. No.
What's
No.
the dance?
It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8.
It's in 4/4.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And
you
as
don't
you-
go that way.
No, but as you watch the video, you'll see I have all of the movements.
You don't have the
Right?
right though.
Sure.
No. No, she
Oh,
doesn't.
let's do it again. Me behind you. Come
I'm
on.
not partial to this.
Higher.
Don't
I'm not
get me
partial to
wrong.
anything.
2, 3, and 4, 5,
What are
and
you
6.
doing?
It's not spread out like that. It's this.
6. That's what I'm doing.
That's not what you're doing.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5,
It's
6,
not
7,
like
and 8.
You're not doing it right.
Well, today's been eventful,
Very
and this is Raina and Kimi signing off. Until next time.
rainy days.